This is question 6 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2018 forenoon session. A fruit seller sold a basket of fruits at 12.5% loss. Had he sold it for rupee 100 more, he would have made a 10% gain. What is the loss in rupees incurred by the fruit seller? So in this question, it is given that a fruit seller sold a basket of fruits at 12.5% loss. But if he charged 100 more than the previous selling price, then he would have made a 10% gain. So now we need to calculate the what is the loss in rupees incurred by the fruit seller. So first of all, assume the cost price is 100x. Now for loss, if here loss is given 12.5%. So always remember, profit and loss is always counted on cost price unless and until it is specified that it is counted on selling price. So whenever in the question it is given that there is some loss or profit, so always understand that all this loss and profit percent is counted on cost price. So now if we find the loss, so 12.5% of cost price, which is 100x. So here we got this 100 and 100 cancelled out, we will get 12.5x. So what will be the selling price? So selling price can be find CP minus loss, cost price minus loss. So cost price is 100x and loss is 12.5x. So it will be 87.5x. So it is the first selling price when he have 12.5% loss. But in the second part, it is saying that had he sold it for rupee 100 more, he would have made a 10% gain. So if gain is 10%, it means 10% on 10% of what cost price, which is 100x. So here 100 and 100 will cancel out, so it will be 10x. So what will be the selling price? Selling price in the second case will be CP plus profit or gain. So CP is 100x and gain is 10x. So here we got 110x. So it is in the question it is mentioned that for 10% gain he would have increased the selling price by rupee 100. It means we can say SP2 minus SP1 is this 108. So here SP2 is what? 110x and SP1 is what? SP1 is 87.5x. 87.5x is equal to 108. So here it is 110 minus 87.5 is 22.5x is equal to 108. So x is how much? X equal to 108 by 22.5, which is 4.8. So we got the value of x as 4.8. Now in the question it was asking that what is the loss. So loss was how much? 12.5x. So loss is equal to 12.5x. So 12.5 into x, the value of x just we have calculated 4.8. So 12.5 into 4.8 is 60 rupees. So we got the loss as 60 rupees. So here in this option, if we say, so 60 is given in option C. So option C is the correct option for this question. Thank you.